What's up guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best Powerline Ethernet adapter. So, I made the list from personal opinion, in hours of research, and I've included different options for every type of buyer. As always, all links to the product mentioned in the video will be in the description box, down below. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. So, here are the top 5 best Powerline Ethernet adapter. In 5th place, the Devolo Magic 2 Wi-Fi Next is one of the slickest Powerline-based extenders around, with a price of $220. It's effortless to install and delivers both wired and wireless network connections to areas that would otherwise be entirely out of range. Powerline technology comes with a catch though, there's no way to predict the speeds you'll get before you splash the cash. The Magic 2 Wi-Fi Next isn't cheap either. Still, if you need to extend your signal to an attic or garage that's beyond the reach of a regular router, the Magic 2 is an attractively fuss-free solution. Just remember, for everyday domestic use, there are cheaper options that may work just as well. The Magic 2 Wi-Fi Next claims connection speeds up to a theoretical maximum of 2,400 megabits per second over Powerline, but real-world performance will depend on the state of your electrical wiring and the length of the run. You can use Devolo's free cockpit app to check your actual connection speed. The Powerline speed is just the connection between the devices. Connecting via Wi-Fi reduces the speed further, with the kit supporting Wi-Fi 5 at a maximum throughput of 867 megabits per second on the 5 GHz band and 300 megabits per second on the 2.4 GHz band. The conclusion is clear: if you just want a general signal boost around your home, a cheaper wireless repeater might work better. However, while Powerline technology can be sluggish, it's a great way to work around physical obstacles. The Devolo Magic 2 Wi-Fi Next also offers a good range of advanced settings, putting you in full control of your wireless network, so if you need to get a signal to a really stubborn hotspot, it's an attractive choice. In the 4th place, the TP-Link's AV2000 Powerline adapter is a good choice if you're looking to expand your home network, with just $90 price. It includes a plug point, delivers fantastic speeds, and is good value for money despite some minor configuration issues. The TP-Link AV2000 Powerline adapter does exactly what it says on the box, giving users a simple, plug-and-play way to improve their speeds. Crucially, it claims to offer smooth 4K streaming and gaming across multiple devices, with up to 2000 megabits per second in possible speed, easily beating out the standard Wi-Fi range extenders. TP-Link's AV2000 is, unfortunately, quite the bulky beast. Naturally, it houses some powerful technology, so the size makes sense, but it doesn't make it any easier to deal with. It's top-heavy at 1.9 pounds and has a decent depth, which makes it quite obstructive in your plug socket, wherever you place it in your house. The Ethernet ports are also situated on the bottom of the device, but you can orient the adapter upside down so they don't get in the way of any other sockets you may have already filled. Yet the most useful design choice unique to the TP-Link AV2000 is the addition of a plug socket on the front of the device. Almost every Powerline kit on the market prides itself on its plug-and-play technology. Across the whole Wi-Fi extending market, speed and ease of setup are crucial, which is why it's important that the Powerline kits understand this and get it right so they can be a viable alternative to a Wi-Fi extender or other similar network-enhancing kit. The TP-Link AV2000 is a high-quality Powerline adapter that is well worth the price tag. It offers good value, with included Ethernet cables, a plug point, and incredible speeds that will revolutionize the internet connectivity across your household. The 3rd place on our list is for Devolo dLAN 1200 Triple Plus Starter, with a cost of roughly $80. It's something super simple, pass-through power. And that's a desirable feature because using mains power to distribute a network requires devices to be inserted into wall plugs, not just placed on a gang switch or similar power extensions. Devolo's classic Powerline series gets a modest revamp with a triple Ethernet port client adapter and a new Range Plus capability. This kit is simple to install, configure and relocate. The Powerline adapter has 2 Ethernet connections plus the fastest Wi-Fi AC, and on top, you can connect devices up to 3,600 watts on each of the adapters. Incredible Wi-Fi AC speeds that in real-world performance will give you the exact same speed as a direct connection of an Ethernet cable directly connected to your router or switch. It comes with incredible software called Devolo Cockpit that will give you full control of your network. The Devolo Cockpit can be used in OS X, Windows, Android, and iOS. Some of the features include turn on and off LEDs, DHCP settings, security settings, turn on and off Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi time control, guest accounts with expiration times, parental controls, and much more. Simple to install, 5 minutes max. It appears that the instruction booklet has improved since earlier reviews. Plug the two adapters into adjacent sockets, connect your router to adapter 1 with the Ethernet cable supplied, note down the new Wi-Fi code from the back of the principal, and then link the second adapter over the new Wi-Fi network. Unplug the second adapter and reinsert into a socket where you need the signal most, or to optimize the network, and bingo! If better powerline gear exists for affordable money, we'd love to see it. The headline performance isn't comparable with gigabit Ethernet, but that's the trade-off for not punching holes through your home or office to run cables. There are cheaper powerline solutions out there, but they lack the polish that Devolo puts on its products. In the second place, we have the Netgear Powerline 1000, with a price of $60. Expanding your Wi-Fi with the Netgear Powerline 1000 is the perfect solution for connecting devices that need the best bandwidth to perform as expected. When a poor Wi-Fi signal is a problem, your devices may not be able to reach the router on their own due to their location. With it, you can transform the available Wi-Fi to give the extension and a range that you need so you won't ever have to deal with lag or slow speeds. Ideal for demanding media like 4K high-definition video streaming and online gaming, the Powerline 1000 by Netgear is easy to use and configure right out of the box. No computer or network engineering background is needed. All you need to is plug the Powerline adapter into your modem or router. This will begin to transmit your signal to wherever you'd like, so you'll just need to simply plug in the Powerline Wi-Fi adapter into an outlet in whichever area of your house that you need a better signal. It has the ability to send a signal through floors and walls, but the less between the adapter and the device, the better. What's great about setting it up is that you don't need to install, set up, or configure any software. It fully plugs and plays and built to perform flawlessly right out of the box. And if you have any issues or need additional help, you always have the option to contact Netgear's 24 hours, 7 days a week support line at any time through their website. As far as security goes, Netgear is no new manufacturer. They've integrated push and secure ability, so all you need to do is push a button and your signal is completely encrypted. Encryption is an extra layer of security that protects your network from potential threats like hackers and unwanted guests. Additionally, it assures that you're given the best signal since it uses the latest 802.11 acres standard with a 1000 megabits per second connection. Finally, in the first place, the best compact adapter is the Trendnet Powerline 1300 AV2 adapter kit, priced at around $70. If getting the smallest Powerline adapter possible is a priority, then Trendnet's TPL422E2K is the clear winner, offering blazing fast homeplug AV2 speeds of up to 1300 megabits per second in a package that's compact and discreet enough to plug in anywhere in your home. In addition, the TPL422E2K offers enhanced Powerline performance thanks to MIMO and beamforming technology that uses all available wires to improve the signal that runs through your electrical circuits to offer a range of up to 1000 feet in homes with reasonably modern wiring. These latest units are also still backward compatible with older Powerline standards, so you can mix and match them with other Powerline adapters in your home. The pair of adapters comes ready to auto-connect right out of the box, with an included sync button that allows you to easily change the encryption keys as often as you like for added security. A gigabit Ethernet port on each end also ensures that you can take full advantage of the speeds offered by the TPL422E2K for streaming, video calling, and gaming, with more than enough bandwidth to wire up a whole room full of devices, provided you supply your own network hub. Trendnet's Powerline 1300 AV2 switch kit has a TPL423E2K output combined with two transducers that can be used to create a high-speed Powerline 1300 network using home electrical systems. Two adapters are required to start the network. The Trendnet adapter is protected by 128-bit ICE encryption. Connect the first switch and connect it to the current router. Connect the other switches to the same electrical system and they will be connected automatically to the first switch for instant internet access. Avoid losing a power outlet by using the built-in power outlet to power other devices.